It is adventure time, adventure day, so hold on to your seats, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Talagang yung aso nila na andun lang talaga sa ano eh. Sasama kaya siya?
Sasama.
Hello everyone! It is early morning because we are going to go on a rafting ride.
We don't really time our day, we just kind of go, depending on what we're seeing, how long you guys are snorkeling. You know, the times will vary a little bit. Lunch usually, 11:30ish, give or take, and then back around the North Shore, on the way back around the town. So, but yeah, I'm Chad, this is Sky. You guys met the dog Bogey. The dog, he's pretty chill. He just sits under my feet a lot of the day. You know, he'll get up, move around, hold him, pet him if you want, don't if you don't. If he's bugging you, just ignore him, bat him away, whatever. But if you could not feed him, that would be awesome. Because it keeps them from begging at lunch, which is great, and crapping all over the deck, which is equally great. So, all right, out we go. So a lot of room to move back. There's a whole bench back here. If you guys are bouncing around too much or you want to move spots, let me know if you want to get into the seats. Right.
Any potential dolphin sightings?
Always potential. I guarantee fish.
nahila ako doon ah. Oh my god. Awesome. Whew. Whew. I love it. Kylie, tito mo siya. Hi, Bogey. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, and
Your face is so sandy.
oh, doon. Ay. Bogey eh. So cute. I'm trying to do Baywatch again. Yan. Well, it's now the next day. After our full day of snorkeling and rafting, we actually had planned to check out the Lahaina downtown and probably, or had hoped to stay there until dinner. But as soon as we docked in, we all decided to just come back to the lodging and have a quick bath. Well, after a relaxing bath or shower, everybody fell asleep, including myself. And so nobody had energy to go out anymore. And I forgot to close out the day's vlog. And so here I am closing out the vlog the following day. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to comment below. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.